So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes.
After moisturizing your skin, apply foundation all over your face.
That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize.
Additionally, you can use a makeup sponge to blend it in.
Which starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out.
Use a concealer to cover up your dark circles and redness of your skin.
I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
Use an eyebrow pencil to make your brows look fuller.
The future is now.
Now, apply blush on your cheeks.
Now. I waited for you in the passenger seat.
Also use it as an eyeshadow.
Tell me so far I can ride in your dreams, while you were chasing everything else but me. I'm starting to break out from
Then, apply highlighter on the tip of your nose,
See, I finally opened up my eyes.
on the inner part of your eyes,
Saw me coming back to life. That
as well as on your cheekbones,
inside. It's time to be someone I want.
and above your upper lip.
The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you
Now let's move on to the eyes.
checking out.
First, draw along your upper lash line.
Away. I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
Do the same thing on your lower lash line.
The future is now.
Then, draw your eyeliner towards the outer corner of your eye.
Down. 'Cause the future is now. Not backing down. 'Cause the future is now. The future starts right now.
Next, use some glitter and press it beneath your eye.
But you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away. I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
After curling your eyelashes, put on mascara. For this look, I recommend to use false lashes.
The future starts right now.
Additionally, you can use your eyebrow pencil to draw freckles.
Never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away. I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
For the last step, put on lipstick.
The future is now. The future is now.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. 見てくれてありがとうございました。この動画を楽しんでいただけたら嬉しいです。See you next time. またね。